Another edition of the HiFi show took place at the Estoril Congress Center. It's always a pleasure to visit these events, not only for the systems we get to listen, but also it's a chance to reconnect, to see familiar faces and to catch up with friends who share the same passion. One of the first highlights comes from Lunae Mons, a brand based in Colares. Among the pieces on display is the Colares Phonostage, a fully tube-based design with no solid-state devices in the signal path. It's a single-ended Class A topology with a separate linear power supply. Botafogo is a single-ended pure Class A integrated amplifier. The design allows different output tubes, giving it a flexible sonic character. Also on display is the Zhang He, a single-ended triode integrated amplifier operating in pure Class A, designed with no negative feedback and fully point-to-point wired. And finally, the Flor do Mar, a single-ended triode amplifier built around the 211 output tube, operating in pure Class A, delivering 18 watts per channel, with a fully point-to-point wired signal path and a separate linear power supply. Lunae Mons also explores horn-loaded loudspeaker designs inspired by classic voice of the theater systems, with large format compression drivers and wooden horns built for scale and physical impact. Continuing with another Portuguese brand, this time from the Azores. Azoric Audio builds their speakers on Fayal Island in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. Each pair is handcrafted from solid Japanese cedar, sourced from sustainable local forests, with no MDF or composite materials, just natural wood, shaped and finished by hand. Their designs follow a full-range single-driver philosophy. Moving on, at the heart of the setup are the Oaudio Icon 12 loudspeakers, delivering a dynamic and engaging presentation paired with the Aurora Sound amplifier and the Vida 2 Phonostage. On the analog side, a Rui Borges turntable, another impressive piece of gear designed and built in Portugal. And that same attention to detail continues with the cabling, provided by Audiophile, also made in Portugal. In this room, Accuphase Electronics takes center stage, with the A80 power amplifier driving the Audiovector R10 loudspeakers. All under the control of the C3900 preamplifier. I have to say that I love those Accuphase amplifiers. On the analog side, the Clear Audio Master Jubilee turntable brings a sense of weight and authority to the presentation, while digital playback is handled by the Aurender A1. Here we get the Bergmann Galder turntable, a Danish design built in Denmark, featuring an air-bearing architecture with a linear tracking tone arm. Electronics are handled by Nagra with the Preamp 2S, an evolution of the Nagra Jazz Preamp. For powering the PMC speakers, we have the classic amp amplifiers. These amplifiers operate in pure Class A over a very large power band. And completing the system, the PMC Fenestria loudspeakers, their flagship model, delivering a full-range, highly detailed presentation. Moving into another room presented by Ajasom, we find the system firmly positioned at the very top end of high-end audio. Here, Soulution Electronics from the flagship Series 7 takes center stage, delivering a level of control, transparency, and precision that defines the brand's approach. They are paired with YG acoustic loudspeakers from the Reference 3 line, known for their exceptional resolution and accuracy, revealing every detail in the recording. On the analog front, the SME Model 35 turntable brings a sense of authority and mechanical precision, completing a system clearly designed without compromise. In another room, also presented by Ajasom, The focus shifts to the unmistakable presence of McIntosh, a system built around the brand's signature, aesthetic and powerful performance, featuring the MT5 turntable on the analog side. Digital playback is handled by the MCD 12000, a reference-level DAC that also incorporates a high-end CD and SACD player. Amplification comes in the form of the imposing MC1 25kW monoblocks, each delivering 1200 watts of power, bringing a sense of effortless authority to the system. These drive the Kharma DB9S loudspeakers, resulting in a presentation that feels both powerful and controlled, with a strong sense of scale. At the heart of this system is the Chord Dave DAC, known for its exceptional detail retrieval and accuracy. From there, the system expands into a full Chord Electronics chain, with the Ultima Pre 3 preamplifier and a pair of Ultima 3 power amplifiers delivering control and transparency. These drive the Gold Note XS85 loudspeakers, forming a setup that balances precision and musical engagement. Source duties are handled by the Linn Select DSM, while analog playback is provided by the Linn Select LP12, supported by the Gold Note PH1000 phonostage. All connected through Chord company cabling. And this is just part of what the HiFi Show 2026 in Estoril had to offer. There's still more to discover, and I'll be covering the remaining rooms in the next video. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.